What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Doge. I know you all just seen this drop that just now happened in Baby Doge. And yes, it definitely does not look pretty, but this is a buying opportunity. So we're gonna talk about the technicals and what could be coming next for Baby Doge. So, anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's go straight over Baby Doge, though. So this drop that we just now seen literally just now came out of nowhere. But we did expect something to happen after the consolidation period, because this is what happens after anything consolidates. Either we get a huge jump or we get a huge drop immediately afterwards. And what happened was a huge drop immediately afterwards. So if you watch my previous videos, you'll see me giving two scenarios. One scenario where we, start the pump, which we did not do, pump above these supply and demand areas, all the way from the 4-2 area, all the way up until about the 4-5 area. And then eventually to the next resistance that we have all the way up here. That's about 4-5, pretty much, yeah, 4-5. And then 4-8, I think, is the next resistance up here. No, not 4-8, but like 5-2 all the way up here. But we didn't do that bullish scenario. We actually did the bearish scenario. And if you look over here at the oscillator, you can see all the selling volume that's coming in on Baby Doge. All this upward movement is buying, all the downward movement is selling. So you're seeing selling volume coming into Baby Doge. So we got to go over this because a lot of people are probably freaking out and, just pulling their hair out because they think Baby Doge is about to crash. Baby Doge is not about to crash. This is a pullback. This is a much expected pullback. You got to think everything in the crypto market is pretty much down. I really would not be worried about this at all. Expect Bitcoin to do a pullback as well. Baby Doge was just on a belated pullback. So Baby Doge, it's for a while, it's just been going up while everything else has been going down. So it was inevitable that Baby Doge did a pullback, but we just didn't know when it would happen. But now it's when it's happening pretty much. So we're seeing a pullback that was long waited for. Like, we needed this pullback. We knew something like this was going to happen. So let's talk about it. The 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. So it's showing that we're 60% bearish now. We were 80% bullish, and we pumped out of our consolidation very briefly here, and you can see it just very briefly. Like, we came out of that consolidation area, started to go up on an uptrend, started to have buying coming in from Baby Doge. We went all the way from 4170 all the way up until about 4375, but then we got rejected. And then now we're going down on this downtrend. Now, this is a buying opportunity, and I'm not going to lie, I bought some Baby Doge around like 4.0, but we ended up not continuing to pump from there. So I'm probably going to continue to buy more. Now, where do I think we're going to go next? This is the big important answer, or important question that we need to ask. Where do we go next from here? So we already broke the 3.8 support. What comes after the 3.8 support? What comes after the 3.8 support is the 3.2 support. And I was talking about this in my previous videos. I know I said it may not hit 3.2 because it looked like we were going bullish outside of our consolidation, because we were consolidating, and then it just kind of looked like we were about to go bullish because we were trading sideways for so long. But we ended up not having enough buying pressure. So now what comes next is that next support line that we have way down here. So the next support line is going to be 3.2. Remember, we already almost broke down below 2.8 over here, and this was pretty much like January 22nd. We got all the way down to 2.8, but then that next support line was 2.4. I would not say do not expect the 2.4 support to hit anytime soon. You got to think, everyone's talking about rumors about February, and we're about to get a huge pump. This is like the storm before the breakout, pretty much. Like, we're seeing this pullback, but February is supposed to be huge for us. There's rumors of the NFT marketplace coming out on the 13th in February. There's rumors of maybe the debit card possibly coming out as well inside February. We're also getting this burn, not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow on the 1st of February. So we're getting all this stuff happening inside February. So I definitely don't think this is not a crash. We're not about to see Baby Doge go all the way down to 2.4. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, not a financial advisor, none of that stuff. But I do not believe Baby Doge is just going to pull all the way back to 2.4. Because if you think about it, all the way from the 4.8 area that we were previously, all the way up here, all the way back to 2.4, that's pretty much like almost 100% pullback right there. Actually, it's somewhere around there. I don't know. not 100%, but like 50%, I mean. But it's still, it's like a 50% pullback. But I don't think we're going to go all the way down to that 2-4 area. Like, it's just not going to happen immediately like that. And with all the good stuff we got going on for Baby Doge, it's just highly unlikely. So we got so much stuff coming out for the utilities. But yeah, anyways, let's keep going with the technical. So what you'll see pretty much for Baby Doge, we'll probably try to, break back up above this 3.8 area. If we cannot break 3.8 after this pullback, then you will see Baby Doge eventually go back down to 3.2. Now 3.2, this is where the real momentum is built up from. Because once we hit 3.2, this is going to present a buying opportunity. If we hit 3.2. So if we hit 3.2, this buying opportunity is going to send Baby Doge to the moon. And this pretty much, it's because people are going to see it as a buy the dip opportunity. They're going to throw their money in. I'm going to throw my money in at the area. And I actually get paid sometime around the 3rd or something around like that of February. So I'm going to be putting money in. I can't put any in now because I don't have any money to put in. I bought the dip so many times. And I know you all know those memes where it's like, when you buy the dip and then you buy the dip after the dip and then you buy the dip after the dip after the dip and then so on and so forth. And then you have the one with sniper in the back. That's pretty much what we're going through right now. We thought that this was the dip, but this was not the end of the dip. So we're probably going to see another one. So if we hit 3.2, what we'll probably see is the 3.8 area coming first as we try to break up above that. If we cannot break out above 3.8, we pull back to 3.2. Then after 3.2, that's when true momentum starts to build for Baby Doge. So after 3.2, this is probably what we'll see. We'll probably see Baby Doge, trying to do some pumping material here, and then, it's just end up pumping, hitting the resistance. Remember, once we break resistance for any of the resistance areas, we usually see a nice big uptrend coming from resistance. So if we break that resistance right there from Baby Doge, we're going to see a nice uptrend if we break that 3.8 resistance after we hit the 3.2 support. So after that, this is probably what we'll see. Let me go ahead and zoom out here and take out the auto. All right. So with that being said, if we were to hit the 3.2 area and then try to break out above 3.8 after 3.2, we'll probably end up seeing Baby Doge go on a huge uptrend here, breaking past 4.0 with little to no problems there, maybe a little bit of a dip and breaking up above and maybe a little bit of a dip and then continuing to rise from there. I know it's all speculation, but this is pretty much what happens once we have like major pullbacks like this. Not major pullbacks, but like it's not too major of a pullback. It's only going down at 3.2. But I'm saying this because of everything that we have going on inside February. So we just have a lot of good things that could happen in February. I mean, look at what happened back here when we did this huge pullback. We ended up having a nice rise there. So I definitely believe Baby Doge has the potential. Every time we have these pullbacks, we always come back and we come back even stronger than before. It happens every single time here with Baby Doge. So I'm really not worried about this at all. This is just another buying opportunity in my eyes. And I think you all should look at that as well. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to follow this path right here that I drew out to a T. I'm not saying that it's just going to 100% do that like immediately. But we got to remember all the stuff that's going to be going on inside February. We're literally going to have that, possibly the NFT marketplace. A lot of people have been talking about the NFT marketplace coming out in February. So if we have that come out in February, we have this burn coming out on February 1st. We have we already talked about the NFT marketplace. We have the debit cards that are possibly coming out. I don't know if they're coming out inside February, so don't mark me on that. But we do know something big is coming on February. And then on top of that, we have the listings that we're trying to push to get on. And then we have the Baby Doge army, which is strong in itself. So either way, I feel like Baby Doge is just going to win. It's just going to prevail. It's just going to rise from here. There's really nowhere else for us to go but up. But mentioning the 2.4 area, the 2.4 area is what I was talking about before I knew that there was rumors of the NFT marketplace coming out. Before I knew that there was going to be these listings and that the whole Baby Doge army was going to push for them so hard that we actually get listed on something. Like you're seeing even on Twitter that Baby Doge, they keep talking about different listings. Now you're able to buy Baby Doge directly from Gate.io with Simplex. So not only can we do that on Trust Wallet now, but now we can do that with Simplex. Yes, there's high fees, so I would recommend you all don't do that. But if you're a beginner in crypto, this is definitely the way to go. It's 100% the way to go if you're a beginner in crypto. So this is just one of the many things that's coming out for Baby Doge. Then we're having the burn coming out on the 1st. So we're having all this good stuff coming out back to back for Baby Doge. This drop is really going to be nothing. It's going to be like, it's not going to be anything really. It's just going to be a speed bump in the road. and we're going to be speeding after that. But anyways, we're still trending on CoinGecko, still trending on Google Trends. People are even Benziga's talking about us. Benziga says, where would you put $1,000 if you had it right now? Bitcoin or Baby Doge? Most people are going to say Baby Doge over Bitcoin because there's more upside potential just because of how far down we are in Baby Doge, how undervalued Baby Doge is compared to the actual community. Like the community for Baby Doge is huge, 1.35 million holders, yet we're only at 1 billion market cap. Like it's a no-brainer to get Baby Doge. Doge is at like 4.3 million or 4.8 million holders, something like that. And then when you look at Baby Doge, like it's just night and day. Like we have that potential there. We have that star power. So, anyways, looking over here, we burned $50,000 today. We've had 4,200 new holders, something like that. Shout out to Ultra243 for posting this. Also over here, I want to show 3.59 thousand new holders. Over there, it said 4,300 or something like that. I think it was 4,300, 4,200. But the only reason why it says that is because this is 17 hours ago. But now that we're looking at it now it's 3.59. So pretty much 3.59K for the day. 11.92 trillion coins burned today. Yes, we had low volume, but still we can burn way more than that. We just need to get more volume coming into Baby Doge. Now, like I said, this is just a buying opportunity. I'm not worried about this. And if you want to watch the whales, we can do that right now. So let's watch the whales for a little bit. So over here, you can see 37.44 trillion sold right there. That's a lot of Baby Doge sold. 12.46 trillion sold. So yeah, they sold 159K from this wallet, 53K from this wallet. If you want to know why Baby Doge is dropping, well, we do have whales selling. We have whales buying too, but the buys are not as significant as the sells at the moment. It was the other way around before this, but now it's definitely a lot of different selling going on. But it's really not that bad in my personal opinion. Like I actually like that it's dipping because it's almost right near my paycheck. And then when I get my paycheck, the whole thing's going in Baby Doge. I'm not even gonna lie. Like whatever I gotta pay in bills is gonna get paid, and then whatever I gotta pay in Baby Doge is gonna get bought. So, anyways, circulating supply 159.7 quadrillion coins circulating supply. I seen in the comments someone mentioned that in my previous videos I said that there was going to be like 5 quadrillion burned a month. That's with a certain volume. We would need that 100 million volume every single day. So if you watch that video, that's when we're actually pumping in Baby Doge, and we had like 100 million every single day. If we have 100 million in volume every single day, then hypothetically speaking, we should burn multiple quadrillions per month. If we had 100 million per day being burned, then every single month would be quadrillions burned per month on the auto burn. So that's pretty much what I was talking about with that. But right now we only have like 20 million inside of the burning or inside the 24-hour volume. So that's why we're not, burning a lot of coins. Anyways, holders now at 1,357,287. So it's a good amount of holders right there. Shout out to all the holders inside Baby Doge. Shout out to everyone. But yeah, let's get back to the technicals because a lot of people, this is pretty much what people want to see. I'll probably do a whole other video like all technicals tomorrow. But right now it's getting a little late. It's 8 p.m. right now. I got to be up by like 4 a.m., get to work, do all that stuff. But yeah, let's talk about this though. So I already mentioned we're going to do this pullback. And as you can see, like I said, we are going to continue to rise back up here and we're going to retest that 3.8 resistance. So after that 3.8 resistance is retested, we're probably going to get rejected at that 3.8 resistance. Let's be honest. We're probably going to get rejected. So what happens after that? Another pullback. That pullback brings us then down to 2.8 or no, not 2.8, 3.2. So first you do something like this. Boom. Hit 3.8. Boom. Get rejected. Boom. Go down to 3.2. Boom. And then probably do some sideways trading movement. Maybe some consolidation. Do some movement like that where we go on a little wedge. And then right at the end of the wedge, which is our consolidation, we'll probably see a breakout coming for Baby Doge. Now, remember, it's probably not going to happen exactly like that, but this is an oversimplified way that we can potentially just rise here at Baby Doge. So it's oversimplified for a reason because I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. This is just what could happen with Baby Doge. So obviously, whenever we consolidate, the consolidation usually lasts longer than that. So you can see from here, this consolidation lasted from the 22nd all the way until today to the 30th. So that was 8 straight days of consolidation with Baby Doge. So if we pull down to 3.2, we may see 8 straight days where Baby Doge is trading between 3.2 and 3.8. This This is just a hypothetical situation here. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I gotta keep saying that, but this is just hypothetical. We may see Baby Doge trade between 3.2 and 3.8 for 8 days. Now, after that 8 days or 7 days, however long it takes for the consolidation to happen, it might not even be 2 days. But however long it takes, if we cannot break past that 3.8 support, if we get rejected at that or that 3.8 resistance, if we get rejected at the 3.8 resistance, you will see Baby Doge then trend back down to 3.2 and quite possibly 2.4 if we get rejected again. We do not want to get rejected again. I don't think we will get rejected again. It's just not plausible. And right now, Baby Doge just has way too much going on for it fundamentally to get like a huge rejection like that. So I don't think that's going to happen. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Let me know in the comment section what specifically you want me to go over when it comes to Baby Doge. Now, I know I say like overall any cryptos. Right now, I'm really focused on Baby Doge because this is where most of my money is in. I'm still heavy with the stuff like Solid ETH, ADA Cash, and all that good stuff. But right now, I'm really trying to focus on Baby Doge. So I will be making a Solid ETH video soon. I will be making an ADA Cash video soon. Soul Cash, Doge Dash, Micro Pets, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be doing those videos soon. So it's just gonna take a little bit because I'm working like every single day. I'm working overtime hours, literally no free time at all. Like I go to work, I come home, I eat, I shower, I make some Baby Doge videos, I go to sleep. So this is pretty much my schedule right now. And actually, this is how I've been doing things for, I think, like the last 3 or 4 months. I literally have not done anything but that, which is kind of crazy when you look at it. You go look at all the videos on my channel, you can see the work I put in, videos every single day. I was doing multiples a day. Now I'm only doing one a day because I'm putting more of a thorough analysis inside of it. But even at that, I still want to do the multiple videos today, for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and all that good stuff. But right now, I just have so much going on. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Let me know in the comments exactly what you want me to go over with Baby Doge specifically. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. That is financial advice. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis, 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.